In this video, I'm going to explain how to set up the Arduino with a soft potentiometer. Let's take a look at how the circuit's set up. My input will be the soft potentiometer right here. I have this connected to pin A0 for the analog input. I also have that connection to both power and the ground, as well as a resistor in place. My output, on the other hand, is going to be the RGB LED. And as you can see, red is connected to pin 9, green to pin 10, and blue to pin 11. I also made sure to connect the LED to the ground right here. There's also a resistor in place for each of the legs of the LED, except for the connection where it's connected to the ground. So these pin numbers are going to be super important when we start to write the code. Because if you take a look over here at our code, you have to first explain that the red is connected to 9, green is connected to 10, and the blue is connected to 11. Then you're also going to state that your sensor pin is connected to A0. So that's your analog input. Then if we go down a little bit further, right here, it says that this is where the sensor should read the voltage from the potentiometer and then set a value for the RGB LED based on whatever value is read, and then send that information to the RGB LED to display a certain color. So the next part of my code down here, as you can see, says whenever I press a certain point on the potentiometer, it's going to display a certain color. So if I touch closer, it may display one color, and the further along the potentiometer that I press, the colors may start mixing. So the next part is just upload this to your Arduino and test it out.